Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the breaking news. Yes, scientists have fully sequenced the Y chromosome for the first time, uncovering information that could have implications for the study of male infertility and other health problems. The first attempt to determine the building blocks of our genetic code took place 20 years ago, but there were still significant gaps left in the sequences of all 23 pairs of humans' chromosomes. Blanks were largely filed in last year by an international group of 100 scientists called the Telomere to Telomere T2T Consortium. However, over half of the sequences within the Y chromosomes, the smallest and most complicated of the 46 human chromosomes, remain unknown. Now, the same group of researchers has filed in the missing information, publishing a complete Y chromosome sequence Wednesday in the journal Nature. Just a few years ago, half of the human Y chromosome was missing from the reference set. Sichoba, co-lead author on the paper and postdoctoral scholar in biomolecular engineering at the University of California, Santa Cruz in a state. Back then, we did not even know if it could be sequenced. It was so puzzling. Sichoba added, this is really a huge shift in what's possible. Humans typically have a pair of sex chromosomes in each cell. People who are assigned male at birth have an X and Y chromosomes, while those assigned female at birth have two X chromosomes. The more detailed information provided by new Y reference sequence will make it easier to study conditions and disorders linked to the chromosomes, such as lack of sperm production that leads to infertility. Recent research suggests that Y chromosome is also important for health and longevity, said Kenneth Walsh, a professor of biochemistry and molecular genetics at the University of Virginia School of Medicine, who was not involved in the new research. Genes have been identified on the Y chromosomes that have been shown to be required for the prevention of cancer and cardiovascular disease, Walsh said via email. The Y chromosome has represented the dark matter of the genome. He added, this new analysis will allow us to better understand the regions of the Y chromosome that have regulatory functions and may encode mRNA and proteins. Many people begin to lose their Y chromosome in some of their cells as they age, particularly those cells that undergo rapid turnover such as blood cells. Benazir report.